So you're thinking about moving to Vilano Beach, Florida? Today we're in Vilano Beach and I'm at a beach house. It's ultra modern, it's super nice, and we're gonna take you on a tour. You better stick around because we're getting after it right now. First and foremost, I want to thank Britt Nissen with Momentum Realty for allowing me to feature his listing here at 409 12th Street in Vilano Beach, Florida. I want to give you the backstory on this house. This home was built in 1981. It was designed by Timothy Wood of Loci Design, and it was designed after Villa Savoye, French home that was built in 1929 in France. And the designer of that house's dictum was, "The house is a machine for living in." So a little bit more about the house. So I don't know about you, but when I look at that photo from 1929, I find it hard to believe that that was designed back then because it looks so ultra modern. It's just totally cool. Anyway, this home was designed after that, basically. The architect, Timothy Wood, he had the orientation with regard to a solar array. There is no solar panels on the roof at this time. You could add them if you wanted to. Conservation and also cross ventilation of the breeze. This house is on the market for $749,900. It's 1,546 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 full bathroom home. They are offering seller financing on this if that would interest you. This home is also a turnkey Airbnb, so they're offering all of the furnishings, the linens, all of the sporting equipment and furniture. It all goes with the house if you'd like it. They are also tracking to make almost $100,000 in revenue on this house this year. So that's pretty cool too, right? Anyway, we're gonna get started with our tour right now. So one of the things I want you to notice is how much this house is elevated already. Most of all the living area is up on the 2nd floor. You will see on the 1st floor there is 1 bedroom. Also, you're going to also see there is 1 bathroom here on the 1st floor as well. But there's lots of openness, lots of trees nearby, palmettos. They left a lot of the natural foliage here. It's a really cool, peaceful place. So I'm going to show you a little bit around the bottom. Let's get going with that now. So as you walk up here, first thing you notice is, besides ceiling fans everywhere, there's nice outdoor tables, nice bench. Of course, they offer bicycles here. You've got ping pong, making a turn here to the right. You've got a nice hammock. Of course, if you want to hang your swimsuits, towels, that kind of thing on the clothesline, that's here and that's ready to go. You have lockable storage here. More storage. Of course, you want to have a place to store your paddle boards or surfboards here. And here you have a bathroom with a shower. Let's check out the inside. All right, as we enter the home, you can see that they have smart locks. Beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout this home, on all of the floors throughout. Beautiful windows. And making a turn to the right, we have bedroom number 1. And it's set up for lots of sleeping here. I see double bunk beds. Let's get ready to go upstairs. One thing I want you to notice is how much light there is in this home. There are skylights throughout the 2nd floor. I don't have that many lights on in here, and the natural light streaming in is truly amazing. As we come up the stairway, looking down, here we have the Open living area here, very nicely furnished. Moving forward, before we get too far along, we're going to put up a map so you can see where Vilano Beach is as far as this orientation goes here on the East Coast by the beach and in relation to St. Augustine and Crescent Beach south of there. We're just minutes away from downtown historic St. Augustine. You just go across the Vilano Bridge and you're there. There's a Publix shopping center very close by. There's hotels nearby. Very nice restaurants all the way around here. You've got history very close, of course, again in St. Augustine. There is the Intercoastal Waterway, so if you want to go boating, that's very close as well, or offshore fishing. There's a very nice deep water marina nearby here as well called Comanche Cove. Continuing on past the stairway, of course we have the laundry area here forward here, so you don't have any laundry to carry up from down below. This is bathroom number 2. Across the way here we have bedroom number 2. We are back in the main living area here. You've got beautiful views out onto your upstairs porch, which of course is screened in. We'll go out there very shortly. Continuing forward here, more living area. Here we have the primary bedroom. Of course, you've got the water closet there, and walk-in shower. And you've got this really cool pocket door. Of course, there's ceiling fans throughout the home, as you can see. Making a turn to the right, we have the kitchen. Very nice. Clean lines. Continuing on with that modern look. Nice eating area here. More cabinets. Another super nice skylight. And of course you're looking out onto this beautiful porch, which is screened in. Another view of the main living area. And we're stepping out onto the upstairs screened in porch. This is what Florida living is all about. There's a wonderful breeze blowing here today, which you can possibly hear. Just gorgeous, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed today's tour of this beautiful beach home, which is available for sale here in Vilano Beach, Florida. If you enjoyed this video and it brought you some value, please consider liking and subscribing so you can be the first to learn about any of the new videos that I drop, and you can follow my content. It also helps us reach out into the YouTube algorithm. Don't worry so much about the algorithm, just know that it really helps the channel to reach more folks that want to learn about living in the Jacksonville, Florida area. Again, my name's Jay Wike. I'm a local real estate agent. I get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people just like you. They're looking for help relocating here or selling a home here, and I absolutely love it. So you can always reach out to me. My contact information is in the comments as well as the description below. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jax.